Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. My name is Preeti and today we are going to learn before, after and between. आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? पहले, बाद में और बीच में क्या आता है. Look at the number line. अब हम एक number line देखेंगे starting from 1 to 10. So, the numbers on the left comes before the numbers on its right. For example, जो हमारे लेफ्ट साइड के नंबर होते हैं वो पहले आते हैं और राइट साइड के नंबर होते हैं वो बाद में आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0, 1. 0 comes before 1. 1, 2. 1 comes before 2. So 1, 2 and 3. Practice time. Write the numbers that comes before. 4, 3. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 1? 0. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 9? 8. Very good. Now look at the number line left to right starting from 1 to 10. The number on the right comes after the number on its left. For example, 0, 1. 1 comes after 0. 1, 2. 2 comes after 1. So 1, 2, 3. Practice time. Write the numbers that comes after. अब वो नंबर लिखेंगे जो इसके बाद आते हैं. What comes after 7 is 8. What comes after 4 is 5. What comes after 9 is 10. What comes after 2 is 3. What comes after 6 is 7. What comes after 8 is 9. What comes after 3 is 4. What comes after 1 is 2. What comes after 5 is 6. Very good. Now look at the number line again, starting from left to right, starting from 1 to 10. 1 comes in between 1 and 3. So we go like 1, 2 and 3. 1 और 3 के बीच में क्या आता है? 2. That is number 2. 9 comes in between 8 and 10. 8 और 10 के बीच में क्या आता है? 9. Very good. Practice time. Which number is in between the two numbers? Write in the box. 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. Very good. Before, after and between. Let us understand the concept of before, after and between. अब हम क्या सीखेंगे? Concept सीखेंगे before, after और between का क्या होता है. 2. I am before 3. 3. I am between 2 and 4. 4. I come after 3. 6. I am before 7. 7. I am between 6 and 8. 8. I come after 7. Write the numbers that comes before, after and between. अब आपको क्या करना है? आपके सामने 3 सेक्शंस दिए गए हैं. आपको सबसे पहले वो नंबर्स लिखने हैं जो इससे पहले आते हैं. देन आपको वो नंबर लिखने हैं जो इसके बाद में आते हैं. बिटवीन. फिर आपको वो नंबर्स लिखने हैं जो दो नंबर्स के बीच में आते हैं. लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. What comes before 8 is 7. What comes before 6 is 5. What comes before 3 is 2. What comes before 9 is 8. What comes before 4 is 3. And what comes before 7 is 6. Now what comes after? What comes after 2 is 3. Very good. What comes after 4 is 5. What comes after 7 is 8. What comes after 5 is 6. What comes after 9 is 10. And what comes after 6 is 7. Very good. Now between. What comes between 3 and 5 is 4. So let's do it this way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Very good. So kids, I'm sure that you have really loved what we have done in the class today and you try to practice it more and more to become perfect.